Hey, this is Kevin Ayala with Credit Law Solutions. And the reason for this video, I had to give a big shout out to Fairway, and they've been sending me a lot of referrals, and I just gotta say I appreciate it to the fullest extent. And basically, if you haven't heard of me, I've been assisting Fairway for quite some time now with the clients that, let's say, don't qualify due to either low scoring or having underwriting issues, things like that, because I am capable of eliminating derogatory trade lines permanently off the report. And I don't follow a generic dispute process like, statistically speaking, 98% of credit repair companies do that give us a bad name. So what these companies do, since they're consumer based, is they like to drag the process on for a year or two, leaving accounts in dispute. But being in the mortgage industry for 4 years myself, I understand that accounts in dispute will not go well with the underwriter. So what typically happens is the underwriter will have to remove them out of dispute, and the score will drop back down. So it doesn't benefit you or your clients to go with these kind of companies that drag the process on for a year or two where they're spending more than $1,000. So what we do differently is we legally challenge the root of the problem, which would be the original creditors, the collection companies, and the courthouses in the cases of public records. So what we're doing is we're opening up an investigation, putting them through a mini audit to put them the burden of proof on all these entities involved, to basically show proof to your client that everything is accurate on the credit report. So if you do want to discuss certain derogatories, please feel free to give me a call, because collections, late payments, charge-offs, tax liens, judgments, bankruptcies, foreclosures, they all have different strategies that we utilize to protect consumer rights. So if you have any questions on a file that you want me to take a look at, because you can think of me as your free loan officer assistant that you do not have to pay, I would do all the hand holding for your clients, so that way you can focus on closing more deals. And by the time I return the clients back over to you in around 2 to 3 months, I've never had a client go over 6, then I'm hoping that when they refer their friends and families over to you, that if they have credit challenges, you can just refer them over to me. So what I'm looking for is to build a strong relationship with loan officers so I can get repeat business. Now, if you have any questions regarding a file, please give me a call back at 818-719-0208, and my cell phone number is 818-918-1290. And just a little bit about my company. My company, Credit Law Solutions, has been in business for over a decade now. And that led us to be the #1 credit repair company in the nation. And that's why many mortgage professionals utilize us. And that's why we have 5 stars on Yelp with over 100 reviews. So if you have any clients that need assistance, then please give me a call back. Again, my number is 818-719-0208. And I just want to thank Fairway for taking the time to look at this video. And I'm hoping that I can be a success to all your files in the future. Alright? Thank you so much for your time. This is Kevin Ayala, Credit Law Solutions.